Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your eBay balance from your eBay account on your mobile phone. Today I'm doing it on my iPhone, but this will work for any phone out there. First things first, make sure you're signed in to your eBay account. For example, right here on my eBay at the bottom, I am. Then you'll see once you select my eBay, if you've sold something, your account balance will be above zero, and there you can click on account balance. Then it'll bring you up to this screen right here. It'll say with your balance, you can treat yourself, buy something, or at the bottom, it'll say available to withdraw. Now, sometimes you might go, I've just sold something. Why can I only withdraw £69 instead of £200? Sometimes stuff gets stuck in the pending balance section. But once on the screen, simply select withdraw, select the amount, select withdraw, and then before you know it, everything has withdrawn from your eBay account to your bank account. It is a very simple way of doing this. I might even argue more simple than doing it from the desktop online. That was very simple and a nice experience. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Your eBay balance then goes down to 14p. Take care. Any questions down below, please feel free to ask, leave a like and subscribe.